How to deposit checks with the Fifth Third mobile banking app. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how to deposit checks with your Fifth Third mobile banking app. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up the application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And on your home screen, you should be able to see your checking account, your savings account, as well as your credit card balance. So you'll find all of your reward points on your home screen as well. You basically have to locate the deposit icon at the bottom of your screen, right besides Money Move. So just go ahead and tap on deposit, then create a new deposit. And after you've done that, select the account where you want your fund to be deposited to. Once you have selected your account, all you have to do is allow camera access to the application. Take the picture of the front of the check as well as the back of the check. You will see a on-screen guide on how you should take a picture. Just follow that. Then you can just enter the check amount that you want to deposit. And then you can simply do a check deposit fee. So it will be available on certain date. And if you want it to be available immediately, you can just go ahead and do that. Now, once you've done that, you could just go ahead and go next. After selecting your fund availability, you will see it review deposit. Just tap on deposit and then you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you on the next one.